What's going on, guys? Today we are going to the first car meet of the year. It's run by I don't know who, but we're going anyways. It should be a good time. It's like almost 40 degrees out. So I'm gonna take the M3 as well as the GTR and go check out some cars, hang out with some friends, the usual car shenanigans. So it should be pretty cool. I really need to find some time to take off all these stickers, but for now they're there, and you know, hopefully if not too many of the sponsors change before the first rally, I can just leave them on. So yeah, let's do it. It's so packed here. We're parked way over there.
The loser section.
Yeah, seriously. All this lot is full. Shifty.
I'm in a GTR, he's the M3. We're all the way up. I gotta take a picture of Ken's car, because Ken's car is nasty.
Some jumper cable, thank you.
I want to post it on,
Ooh, an M2.
I don't even know what it is, but I love it.
I know. Alright, Reed, tell me what you got done.
We just had a 2015 WRX. It's stage 1 OTS tune from Cobb. Got a parent chip stop, shift bushing, nameless axleback exhaust. Got summer wheels, but they're not on the car because it's still super cold out.
Yes.
Roof wrap, tinted windows, lift kit, pretty much everything every WRX owner does.
Yes. Oh, sweet, dude. It's really cold. It's like sub 40. There's 1,000 people.
It is freezing. Yeah, I'm absolutely freezing. I think this is how. I'll tell you what, I'll see you. I'm telling you, I still want one. I freaking love one.
Hey guys, I'm 39 High here, checking out my vlog.
I'm cold. I don't know how you're not cold.
I'm just freezing. Like I am so cold.
Yeah, that's what that.
Yeah, those look comfortable.
Yeah, those look so comfortable.
It is.
Well, you know what? I should be pouring out on my Instagram story. Yeah, because it's just that is insane.
Well, as you can tell, we left. It was super cold, and you know, once you walk through and see the cars, there's not much changing. So I'm back home. Troy had to go to a party. So if you want to see more stuff on his car, go check out his channel. I'll put a little thing right here so you can go check that out. But just another short video, trying to keep making videos for you guys. So I appreciate you coming back and watching all of them. I'm almost done with this semester of school, and then we'll have a lot more time to play with cars and go drifting and all that. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.